How to sell digital products on Web 3.0 successfully? This video is part 2 of 2. In the previous video, I shared the first 2 steps of the process you should follow if you want to sell any digital product or service on Web 3.0. I'm talking about creating a strong community and your NFT collection with a valuable utility behind it. If you haven't watched the previous video yet, I recommend watching it now. I put the link in the description below this video. In this video, I'll talk about the next 3 crucial steps to sell any digital product or service on Web 3.0. I'm speaking about the new way to access any online course or service and now this access is 100% guaranteed. In addition, you will learn the best way to sell your NFT collection and where to put together your best fans who are really interested in what you do and in your intellectual property. So, let's do it! My name is Max Cecco and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So, thank you. Step number 3. Discord server. To successfully sell your digital online course or service, you need a community of people interested in your intellectual property. Normally, in Web 3.0, you should put these fans together in a Discord server. So the next question is, what is a Discord server? Discord is a group chatting platform originally built for gamers that has since become a general use platform for many kinds of communities. Discord is built to allow members to message each other. Discord is divided into servers, each of which has its own members, topics, rules and channels. For example, you might have channels to talk about giveaways, general chatting, events, official links, announcements, rules, and so on. The possibilities are endless. Discord also allows users to voice and video chat, as well as live streaming events and other programs from their computers. This is a tool you need to use to keep your community updated about the stages of your launch. When they are in the Discord server, especially before launching your NFT collection, you should continuously warm up your fans and involve them in the process. Let them create the collection with you. You should use the Discord server to update, indoctrinate and educate your community before and after launching your collection and give them the help they need. It is the location where your fans get updates on your projects and where they can speak together and interact with the creators as well. You can consider it your private social network with your true fans and even owners of your NFT collection. Discord server provides all the information your fans need to buy or sell their NFT with the official links to avoid scams. It can be seen even as the best tool for customer care. Step number 4. NFT collections launch. There are different ways to sell your NFT collection. I recommend you organize a product launch because you have to aim for a big sold out. It means that once your NFT becomes available to your audience, ideally they have to fight to have one piece of your NFT collection. Now, the question is, how to organize a product launch? I love Web 3.0, but you can't do anything without the knowledge, strategies and skills of Web 2.0. This is why the skills, mindset and strategies I'm sharing on this YouTube channel and on other social networks are not only still valuable but also essential. No marketing, no business. This is why I suggest you subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on to be notified every time I upload a new daily video. If you like this type of content, tap on the like button as well. I have already recorded a video regarding the NFT marketing strategy to sell out any project. In this video, I talk about 5 steps to organize a product launch properly. I put the link to this video here and in the description below this video. But for the purpose of this video, I want to underline 2 important concepts regarding a product launch that I didn't share in the previous video. Concept number 1. it's all about perceptions. Marketing is a game of perceptions. Structuring the perfect product launch is relating to communicating properly with your target audience to indoctrinate them to understand and embrace your point of view. You have to elicit the desire for your product or service, in this case associated with your NFT collection, and the most critical part of the product launch involves your Discord fans in the creation process. It seems banal and dumb, but letting your fans, aka potential clients, participate in the product creation process is the best strategy to sell out your NFT project. Concept number 2. Discord creates social proof because it becomes a sort of email list of people interested in your NFT. For instance, if in your Discord there are 20,000 people interested in your NFT collection and during the launch you let your fans know that there are only 3,000 tokens available, this situation creates the FOMO, fear of missing out. Indeed, you are unconsciously using the most powerful psychological motivator, which is scarcity. Let's proceed with the final step to sell digital products on Web 3.0. Step number 5. How to get access to your intellectual property. You have successfully opened the doors to buy your NFT, and now people have access to your online digital course. The question is, how can I guarantee access to my intellectual property? What I'm going to share with you is a game changer. First of all, to buy your NFT, your potential client needs to buy the cryptocurrency you decided to accept. For example, you can be paid in Ethereum, Solana, USDT, and so on. For the purpose of this video, I won't talk about how to buy cryptocurrencies and how to transfer them to your digital wallet, but I want you to understand the basics of the most used digital wallet to buy NFTs. I'm talking about MetaMask. MetaMask is a digital wallet and a Chrome extension. You can download it for free from the website metamask.io. This wallet is amazing and obviously it has a unique address. When you buy an NFT by using this wallet, that specific NFT is linked to that wallet. I want to simplify things. To get access to the online video course, you have to log in to a specific web page provided by the content creator, but you don't have to use email and password as happened in Web 2.0. You have just to connect your MetaMask account to the website by pushing a button. Once this website verifies you have the specific NFT that grants access to that intellectual property, it's done. Finally, you are in the reserved area and you can consume the available contents. As happened in Web 2.0, you need to set up the technical stuff to create a private member area to let your clients access your intellectual property. And that's it. I know it sounds a little bit complicated because all this process is entirely new and still in its infancy. At the same time, you have increased your awareness on how Web 3.0 works. I'll probably create different other videos to let you understand this fantastic world. The next step for you is this. Watch this video. 5 steps to sell out any NFT project with strategic alliances. This video is about leveraging the power of partnerships to sell out your NFT collection. I shared 5 fundamental steps to attract the right partners, increase their desire to support your launch, and make the NFT owners happy to have a piece of your collection. So, watch it now!